Okay, so we have finished the XXL. It's time to move on to something new. Let's take a look at the Hanging Action Tower. 780 pieces. It says it's glow in the dark. Must have some new pieces in there. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, this is what you get. This is what's in the box. Bags of stuff. Some beams. Bags of stuff. Look at that, it's a metal rod. So what we're gonna be doing is we got some standard pieces over here we've been using. We're gonna take and we're gonna sort out all our bags and we're gonna put the pieces that go in the bins over here. And then we're just gonna put all the rest of the pieces in this tote, and that's gonna be for our Hanging Action Tower. As you can see, the funnel is gray instead of green. Looks like it's got a tube. I don't know what these are. We'll look into that when we're building it. Let's put it away and put it together. Okay, so I think we've completed the Hanging Action Tower. Does it hang? Yes, it hangs. It hangs right there on that pad. You can see I'm against the wall there, so I think it's nice having that be able to touch down there. But as you can see, this is the coolest part, I think, is 2 balls go at a time. Uh-oh, we're stuck. So this marble system has these paper pieces that lift the balls, unlike the XXL had entirely chain links. That was a lot of chain links to put together. Down here we have the paper attached to our chain links with the gear, so if you wanted to hook a motor up to it, you could. But it just takes and it lifts the balls.
all the way up to the top. This kit does not come with the motor.